Gardening is a popular hobby for people all around the world. Well, we can agree that it is mostly hard work, but there are some gadgets that would help you to do some of this work with ease. In our video, we will be seeing 12 such gadgets. You can find the Amazon affiliated links to these products in the description below. Number 1. TOMCARE Garden Kneeler Set. This gadget is for those who enjoy sitting in your garden and spending the evening. TOMCARE Kneeler Seat is a multifunctional kneeler that can also be used as a seat during fishing as well. This is easy to use and very convenient, and you can also take it down anytime you like. You can easily clean it, and it does not take up too much space due to its compact design. The gadget also features high-quality, durable foam material that can make you more comfortable after a long day. The maximum weight of this seat is 330.69 pounds, so you won't find any trouble carrying it around. This gadget is also a good choice if you want to gift it to your friends and family. The company even guarantees any repair if you find any issues with the product. You can get this product for $52.99. Number 2. FAMOY Claw Gardening Gloves. For gardening hobbyists out there, this gadget is perfect for digging up the soil while planting your favorite orchids. They are the farmer's best friend and are made up of durable plastic, which is puncture-resistant to protect your hands. They are strong and comfortable to wear and can be used for digging up weeds, raking leaves, and digging holes in the ground. It is perfect for most of the people as it comes in the size of 2.75 inches at the wrist diameter. It is made of stretchable material as well. Overall, this product would make your gardening experience more easier and fun. You can get one for yourself for $7.96. Number 3. AUGER Drill Bit. This gadget can come in handy when you plant your plants in your garden. AUGER drill bit ensures 10 times more efficient than traditional methods. This gadget is made of heavy-duty steel with black paint coated for a long service time. With its extended length of 16.5 inches, will help you dig holes in the ground while standing, making it more comfortable. It has a 1.6-inch diameter and 16.5-inch length, which is suitable for planting all kinds of flowers and fruits of different sizes. This product with a drill with adjustable drill chuck to fit any augers, making you never have to worry about it. You can get it on Amazon for $17.97. Number 4. Garden Clippers. This gadget is useful for people who do gardening themselves at home. Garden clippers save your hands from getting injured during planting and working in your garden. It is made up of material with good toughness and high strength and is super sharp, which would help you to get the job done easily. The blades are anti-corrosive, rust-proof, and wear-resistant, guaranteeing you a long life. The ergonomic shape of the clipper facilitates in handling and provides a good grip. Since the body is made of non-slip rubber, it is comfortable to wear, and you never have to worry about it falling. The price for this is $17.57. Number 5. 360 Gadget Garden Hose. The 360 Gadget Pro uses stainless steel interlinks in its body, which increases its strength and lessens the chances of metal separation. The heavy-duty garden hose from 360 Gadget is made with spiral interlink technology, which prevents bending and kinking while guaranteeing a steady flow of water. With this product, you can save both time and energy. The metal hose, unlike traditional hoses, can simply be coiled into the perfect circle for handy storage. Without having to pinch your fingers around the fitting, you can easily detach the nozzle from our simple-to-use swivel handle and grip it onto the fill handle to attach it to the fixture. Get this for $45.98. Number 6. Leaf Collector. If you are tired of picking the leaves that fall over your garden, then this gadget is for you. With a leaf collector, you can get the job done without wasting any time or energy. The reusable leaf cleanup tool is made of exceptionally robust, water-repellent, and UV-resistant material. Each of the products has already been tested 3 times with satisfying results. Thanks to its compact design, it is greatly efficient, and you can also store it in a tiny space. You make it easier to carry with you. You can fold it into a flat, round shape. The price for this gadget is $33.99. Number 7. TONULAX Solar Garden Light. This might be the best product on our list, which would make your garden look more beautiful. These solar garden lights can be bought for just $19.98. With that price, it's a steal as it can make your garden look modern and 10 times more attractive at night. It comprises a heavy-duty bulb with a body made of flexible iron wire, making it look like fireflies from afar. These super unique solar lights are easy to use as it doesn't need any cables to work. You just need to turn the switch on and enjoy the view. Number 8. Solar Wind Spinner. This solar and wind-powered spinner can help you power something that doesn't use up much electricity. You can use it for lighting up your garden lights. This spinner is easy to install with no extra wiring. Moreover, it is eco-friendly and automatically turns on in the daytime. This gadget can generate enough power that can last 8 to 10 hours. The body of the gadget is also made of sturdy material so that it won't get damaged easily, making it perfect for your backyard. The price for this is $33.99. Number 9. Robotic Lawnmower. Robotic lawnmowers are becoming more advanced. Some have self-docking capabilities, and some, if required, have rain sensors, all of which almost eliminate human contact. At the end of 2005, robotic lawnmowers were the second most popular category of household robots. With this mower, you never need to worry about maintaining your lawn on your own. This robot uses smart technology to identify the height of the grass and automatically implements itself. You can also control it using your smartphone. It also has a built-in alarm which protects it from theft. You can get this amazing product for $699.95. Even though the price is on the higher side, it is definitely worth the money. Number 10. Grow LED Umbrella Plant Grows Light. For those having indoor plants, this gadget can come in handy for you. This Grow LED can help your plants grow faster as it emits light that promotes photosynthesis of most plants and help them to grow faster and better. You can adjust the lighting according to each plant. It has a stylish design that can also pose as a decorative item in your garden. The Grow LED also has an option for automatically setting off the timer so that you can decide the timings. It can stay on for 16 hours and automatically shuts off for 8 hours. It works fine as long as it is connected to a solid socket nearby. It is easy to install and the user part is even easier. With this gadget, indoor gardeners don't have to worry about anything. You can get this product for $32.99. Number 11. Burn Cage. Burning branches or dried leaves in your garden can be a risky activity. Moreover, it is not good for the environment as well. Considering the potential cost of fire damage that a conventional drum may create, getting one is undoubtedly justified. That's where our product comes in. This incinerator, made of perforated stainless steel, enhances airflow for a hotter fire and can burn at temperatures as high as 1600 degrees Fahrenheit while keeping flaming embers confined. You won't have to worry about stainless steel becoming unattractive later on, unlike that rusted-out drum or that burn scar you have from starting fires on the ground. Make it yours for $888. Number 12. DONSAIL Hoe Garden Tool. This garden tool would come in handy while picking up weeds from your garden. There is no doubt that it is an irritating job, but you don't have to worry anymore with this tool. The DONSAIL hoe is designed with push-pull motion, which is more efficient and safer for weeding, cutting roots, and cultivating live-growing plants with ease. The length of the tool can be adjusted according to your needs. The weeding tool for your garden is made of commercial-grade and extra-thick premium steel, making it sturdier and lasting for years. It is easy to assemble and will only take you a minute to assemble the 3 pieces together. Get one from Amazon for $25.99. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in our channel, you can click on the links you see on the screen to watch more of our videos. We will come back with more gadget videos. Until then, have a nice day.